After creating our helper class point, I will start now by implementing the abstract class shape. So for that I created a class called shape, and for that class I will need it to guide the users, the class users, that any shape child must implement a method to calculate the area of that shape. So for example, if the class user will create or extend the shape class for the circle class, so must implement a method that will calculate the area of that circle. To do that, we just need to mark the shape class as an abstract class, and for that we use the keyword abstract here. So by telling the Java or the compiler that this class is abstract, so now the user of this class cannot create a new object directly from the shape class, only from an extended child class with that class, like circle, that we can create an instance, as we will see. So I will need just an internal variable for the position of the shape, and here notice that I marked it as protected to make it accessible for the child or the children of this class shape. And I will tell the user of this class that there is a method called calculate area that must be implemented for any child of this class. And because the abstract class shape is just an abstract class, a guidance for the design, I will not implement this method here. I will just put the signature. So the calculate area here will not take any input parameters from the user, and it will return a value from the type double representing the calculated area. Just one more step, I need to tell the compiler that this method will not be implemented here in the shape class. For that, we will use the same keyword abstract. That means that this method is just the signature of the method. We will not implement it here. Also, I will create a setter and a getter for the position member. And notice here, I need to set the value for the variable position, and this variable position is from the type point, the helper class that I just created. So we take from the user a point variable or argument, and we'll set the internal variable position by that argument. I will create a getter, and again remember that we will return the value of the variable position, so it should return a value from the type position, or sorry, point. It's from the type of the class that we just created before.